It's very, very exciting right now for us to welcome back to the Heilala stage our reigning Miss Heilala from the year 2019 to 2023. Let's put a big hand together tonight and give a warm Tongan welcome to Yehenara Sokop, who's going to entertain us right now on the Heilala stage. Malo au pito. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Heilala 2019-2023. Yehenara Sokop dancing their beautiful, majestic movements there to the Hawaiian hula. And I know our judge Tivaini will be very pleased to hear the song, which of course was Whakatere Tere by his son Josh Tatofi this evening. I'd also like to acknowledge we're here tonight at the front with Finau Walter and Alwyn Moa, respectively from Ha'apai and Vava'o Tonga Tourism Authority. They're directors and they're here with us here tonight. Welcome, gentlemen. Great to have you here. Te tau hoko ata le vaini ki he tau taleniti he whiawhini. Taleniti koia o e whiawhini. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to welcome to the stage. Put your hands together as make a warm welcome to contestant number 1 in the talent category tonight, the one and only Miss Tourism Talanoa Moheloto Pepita.
Moi vulangi o tau kau katoa I he whiawhini. Whakatap ki o tua I o tau Tonga, tap ki e hawe whanua, tui tupo wono, pia moi whale o ha moi ofo. Tap ki whawhiwhalanglangi o katoa ngani, pia pehe ki sola moi vulangi o tau kau katoa I he whiawhini. Welcome, O treasures of Tonga. Our island, our kingdom, is one of many great stewards of the Pacific Ocean, a vastness that is often perceived as isolating and cold, but that is far from the truth. Through song and dance, allow me to take you on a journey to experience the beauty, the warmth, and the friendship of our Pacific islands across the sea. Our beloved Moana is home to many island countries, some of which join us in making of Polynesia. So let me say, aloha, from the beautiful island of Hawaii, where hula is the language of the people.
I am Hawaii, I am forever, I will always be kind to you. May gentle rain wash your cares far out to sea. Come you dreamers and dream with me. I am Hawaii, I am the flower.
Yorana, from the beautiful island of Tahiti.
Whakatere tere, mapokera ue, Hoku piko hanga, Imaru kie, Miru vima, Taku moe hanga,
Talofa lava, from the heart of the Pacific, Samoa. And as a daughter of the Kingdom of Tonga, your Miss Tourism 2024, Maloelele.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 1 this evening on the talent stage, Miss Tourism, Talanoa, Moheloto Fefita. Tuku anga whangamari koe ni, ke kawa whangamau, ke whangamau opo na ngahi poi ni, moi māka, pe whelawe i pe moi uruaki taleniti koe o e whia whini he whunga Stacey, me he kolo Heilala, me loto Nuku'alofa e whia whini. I'll give a moment to our judging panel to compile their scores, and I'm sure our judge Moana Schwenke would appreciate the Samoan song that was picked for part of that item there, Wha i Tulangi, with its unique historical link to the Kingdom of Tonga. We'll get ready now for contestant number 2. Ko te watu whoki eni ki he tokataha whikaua ki he whunga Stacey e whiawhini. Contestant number 2 on the stage tonight, ladies and gentlemen, will be Miss Ewa Tourism, Manosiu Tapaita Tupelina Havea. Tongatapu atu ki e tala malu e whonua, kai ata ki o whakahoku atu hoko tale niti ne fuaki he otua. Nā aku graduate me he Liahona High School he wāwhi mawatolu I e Fashion Design Level 2. I have a passion on fashion. I decided to design this dress that I am wearing, and I want to showcase my design with a waltz. I'm dreaming of becoming a fashion designer at Ewa in the future. I also have a passion on Pacific dances and Tongan dances as well. Therefore, I would perform a mix of dances. I will start with a waltz, then perform a Hawaiian hula, Samoan siva, Cook Islands dance, and then perform a Tongan dance, which I love the most. He niongo, a ko whaiva, a ngahi whaiva, o ko ke manako makehe, ke whaiwai e tau ngahi whaiva whakatonga. Ko e ku whakaamu ia ki e kahau, te utokoni, ki ono a koi e tō tupo e ua, ki ngahi whaiva whakatonga, ke na wongo connected to our ancestors. Mo nau ilo ko hai ki nau tolu, ko hawhewhine I whunua Tonga, pe tangata I whunua Tonga, o ko mate a kii mo Laukau'anga a Tonga. O whalahi atu, Manosiu Tapaita Tupelina Havea, Miss Ewa Tourism o Wafe Mawapa.
pese o pese pese atu mafamatala la usamoa la usamoa paamua uale atua o ia o lo ufaamai ao mai ni pua puanga faamalo situ maupea o te alofa ia te oela usamoa. Miss Ewa Tourism, Manosiu Tapaita, Tupelina, Havea, Mopas Masi Mai. I'll look forward a moment to our judging panel to compile their scores. While they're doing that, a reminder that our talent quest tonight is being looked at the following criteria. Number 1 is appropriateness. Number 2 is originality. Number 3 is natural ability. Number 4 is the quality of the presentation. And number 5 is the entertainment factor. We're going to move along now to contestant number 3. So if our judges are ready for contestant number 3, ladies and gentlemen, to grace our stage will be Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi. Matafi pe Tonga I he langi maa. Pe ofa ke ngofua, pe ofa ke ata. Kai whakawhatula atu se eko taleniti ki e pōni. Iue, kai whewhe se eko whakawhotunga ki e pōni, mo ne kā kunga ki hoko taleniti. Ka hoko taleniti, kai hula whakatahiti, ke te ukamata atu pē me hoku kake I. Ka hoku haku koe, kai whau ne tāmai me he taulanga Port of Refugees. O tatao, I he vaiko lelea, pe hake ia o whi aki hoku haku, pe whi siki mai me loto ai fulufulu I kōki. Isa, hono lanu, mono mahu inga, mono uhinga ki e pōni, ai different colours but one people. Pe whakamau whatu ai ngahi kako I loa ai Tonga, ki hono ulu, pe piki ki ai ngahi fulufulu I kōki, ke hoa ki hono kaku. Tuku ke uhula, he ku oso e pangai ma hono uhinga. Ko ki taleniti ia, te whakaha I he pōni, mo paspasi mai contestant figure tolu, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi.
up, ladies and gentlemen, for contestant number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3 on the stage tonight, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi. Our judges are now going to work out their marks on contestant number 3, Miss Lady Maria Australia, while we prepare the stage for contestant number 4 tonight. And contestant number 4 on the stage this evening is Miss Fia Dance Academy, Vaimoana Akesa Louise Holeva Malupo. Lo tonga koe hono te whunga Stacey whamanato i ato ki ate ki mo tolo hau e ki mo kāinga. Koe pō apong pongi ko pau ki ai hao tikite. Koe tikite panga ni manoa ki tōta, kai panga e te au. Ki kau ki teipira ki e sea koe kau VIP kore atu pe ki mo lava mai ki office koe taki mamata i e halavuna. Ma o atu mea he mo tikite o kuawa pe e office me he taimi hiva pongpongi auhu. Kai wawe mai pe te lia na ke whakaisi isa i he whangamari e ki ke kau mai i he pō whakaosi. Ka koe polo foki ai Miss Heilala o wāwhi mau o wha. Whakahoko mai pe ki heni ki kolo Heilala i loto Nuku'alofa. Lawe i pe longo kātoanga ai whonua i ahoni, koe aho alo i koe o ene awhio ki tupo ono. Lele foki ngahi polo kalama ke he ahoni, kau foki ai loto koe ai hoa pongpongi, nei mo ngahi laka koe kau soti e loto Nuku'alofa, pe he foki e tau mawha i he holofa manata koe Queensalo te, pe oku lele foki mo ngahi polo kalama ke pe e fia fini. Au fia ke tare lei ki mautolo kotoa pe a kau mamata o ko kau mai i he waho pe e fia fini mei New Zealand, Hawaii, Amalika-lahi, Australia, pe a moha tau kainga tonga i ngahi whanua mori, tare lei ki mautolo ki hono whakamawhola hanga tonu atu, o e tau polo kalama koe e fia fini, o e pō whakariari tale niti, pō tale niti, mei he kolo Heilala, mei loto Nuku'alofa, pe a mo e tau polo kalama koe o e wike Heilala ki tau ni wāwhi maua wha.
Ladies and
gentlemen, let's welcome contestant number 4, Miss Fia Dance Academy tonight, ladies and gentlemen, by Moana Akesa Louise Holeva Malupo. Te tau tukuanga ki miniti ke nau whakatuku whoki a nau tāme alea koe whunga Stacey e whia whini, ka lo tonga koe a, ko whia wātai whakamalo koe ni, ki nihi koe kau sponsor tuki mua be koe, supreme sponsors o nau pōpō mai ki he polo kalamani. Koe Ministry of Tourism and Government of the Kingdom of Tonga, the Tonga Tourism Authority, Fiji Airways, the national carrier of Fiji, New City Party Rentals, and also Tonga Power Limited this evening, and not forgetting the Ports Authority of the Kingdom of Tonga. Also acknowledging our elite sponsors tonight, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Matthew Howell of the New Zealand High Commission to the Kingdom of Tonga, National Reserve Bank of Tonga, the MBF Bank Anton Rajapakse, the Tānoa Dateline Hotel, Te Hoko Arts and Vaimoana Media, Whamamalo atu ai pē ke kao sponsor Platinum Oiponi, Digicel Tonga Limited, Bank of the South Pacific, John Sullivan and Lion Liquor, not forgetting Razak and Spare Parts Zone Tonga, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, and Sino Union Economic Company Limited. Koe ngahi sponsor City Vau e tau whiau he koe o Eponi, o kukau mai ki ai a Liz Sullivan, pe moe whalekai koe a Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, Miss Fia Dance Academy, vai moana Akesa Louise Holeva Malupo. Whakawhetai ki a Sihova, hoko lau maarie. Mo ia kotoa pē, oku ia te au. Whakawhetai ki hono huafa, mā oni oni e. Whakawhetai ki a Sihova, hoko lau maarie, pe oua na angalo, ene mea ofa furi pē. Ko hoku ingoa, ko vai moana a Kesa Louise Latai Holeva Malupo. Ko hoku tale niti, ko whakalangi langi o tua, aki hoku le o, mo whainga mea lea pē. Ko hiva te o whai he pōni, ko whauia he taha o e ku whangakui ku mamao, ka koe founder o e siasi Emanuela Revival Church, ko Reverend Whaiwhekao Vika Tuulaki Tau Wills. Ne fua toko taha e sisu, ofa ke tāpuaki ki Motolu e he eiki.
Tongatapu,
fua Tongatapu be e si su whaoia a late Reverend Vicar Wills. Pea hiwa ia tui e whiawhine he ke tesim whika wha, Miss Fia Dance Academy, vai moana a Kesa Louise Holeva Malupo. Ko le whamone mone atu ki e mātanga, ka hine tui taimini e tamatei ki minite ua ai uhila i he whaleni, ka lava whoki a whai ki whakatontono e tu funga uhila, ko le lava ko ia e toi whakaulu mai, mga tu unga whoki i he popouri ko ia e whale, ok, ki parapale ma whakatiki ni kale, pe olo tonga ngāwe ki ai tonga power he whiawhini, ko taha whoki e kau sponsor o tau polo kalama i he whiawhini. Ladies and gentlemen, the lights here at Heilala Village will be turned off for 2 romantic minutes until our power people can work on the power line, and very, very shortly we'll reconnect to ensure that we illuminate tonight and ensure that the ambience continues through to the end of the evening. Malo.
like yesterday when I held your hand under the city lights, dancing the night away as I gently stared in your beating eyes, thinking, could this be real? That I found my perfect melody to my song. That's when we kissed. And then I asked you, have you ever sat and wondered why the birdies sing, or how the sun leaves our horizon and comes back again? I can see how we don't have that picture perfect kind of love, but I know one thing, I'm in love with my best friend. That's perfect to me. Ooh, yeah. We were never apart. Every breath you took was a part of mine. We could sit and do nothing, and no doubt we'd still lose the track of time. You said that you needed me, but I know I needed you more. That's when I held you and asked you, have you ever sat and wondered why the birdies sing, or how the sun leaves our horizon and comes back again? I can see how we don't have that picture perfect kind of love, but I know one thing, I'm in love with my best friend. Hey, have you ever sat and wondered why the birdies sing, or how the sun leaves our horizon and comes back again? I can see how we don't have that picture perfect kind of love, but I know one thing, I'm in love with my best friend. That's perfect to me. Ooh, yeah. Perfect to me.
Matavai Cultural Dance Group.
See, I would have been done by now.
Ke tulau mo e kala manu e hau whanua makala no ki no tukunga si o ta whanua moho no whaunga o ka pohau e katanima he he te alalanga e te kai orunga he he ai toka tuka tutututu a te ahiri o hono kau a ka hapu ka pi a taru mei mua he whakui a ki hatau whatuna moe a wata lalawa o tama e hono ka wha kau haka he longi he mai mo tuku whanua e walau kau hana fuoka o ka pohau e katanima he he te alalanga e te kai orunga he he ai whakatuka tukutuku a te ahiri o hono kau a ka hapu ka pi a taru mei mua Ahine pe'i he kamai he Tahe he atu teleni te Mamata he lau manu kawa ke oka ke siu pea ke tue tue Oka ke siu pea ke tue tue Hufanga he tuku ki o luna Tapu mo e talafu mo e kafa O e tumatupua Tupu le whanua ka hono lalanga O e kau whatunga motua Ka oni uai ala lomo uta a whanua motu mo e hifofu E kano kupolu i mala e kula Tuke anga ia oe motu kako e ne fuka Si e ne taalo ko e whano mono Ke taloni karitala i e moto Tatua moto matofi a e nofo Ke ilo laloa ilo e he poto Mo unga o tunga ka kohono loto He he ka kohono loto ke puna pe hapo he kohono loto He iyo 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 He iyo 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 No e whakapupe a ane pe Ke whakatapui pe toe vete Tuku pe mua haka ue pe ke tatoki tuki haa ke he Te whoki me ki hatau tapu Ki hala ka pala molo a manu Ke koe tatu a moe walau Haka he taloni tala e lo au He taloni karitala i e moto Tatu a moto matofi a e nofo He ilo laloa ilo e he poto Mo unga o tunga ka kohono loto He he ka kohono loto ke puna pe hapo he kohono loto He iyo 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 He iyo 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 No e whakapupe a ane pe Ke whakatapui pe toe vete Tuku pe mua hata ue pe ke tatoki tuki haa ke he Te whoki me ki hatau tapu Ki hala ka pala molo a manu He koe tatu a moe walau Haka he taloni tala e lo au Oi!
Hoi ki mokanga mo Pasipasi mai ai grupu whaika koe a mata mai nei sene a Australia. Ina wihenia e pia whini ke whare are ngai whaiwa whakatonga. Ko ka taha whoki e tau mua koe a grupu koe ni ke tau toloa ke tau whatunga motu a tonga i he whaiwa pe mai tau lea whakatonga pe ka ngata pe ki tonga ko toi a watu whoki e nau ngā oe ke kakai me he umatakari ke keho e Pasifiki o ku nau nofo au nofo ke konene niti koia o Australia. Ki he kao whakamau, ko kore atu e whangamari koe ni te tau hoko atu ke contestant whikaono. Kai koe whikanima, tau whoki mai ki whikanima, ka koe whikaono i he taimini. To our judging panel this evening, just to let you know that we are moving now to contestant number 6. Not contestant number 5. Number 5 will come a little bit later in the program, but we will move now to contestant number 6 just to ensure that you have your right marking roll there in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Fia whoki ki e taritarele ki e whunga Stacey e whiawhini a contestant whikaono, Miss Tonga Hawaii, Gracelyn Kelly Nanaimo
Foto aika.
Polynesian dance is the heartbeat of my identity, weaving the stories of my ancestors into every movement and gesture. Through the dance, we honour the rich traditions and tales handed down from generation to generation, a living testament to our heritage. Tonight, my talent will be a medley of some of the most vibrant Polynesian dances dedicated to our Heavenly Father, the resilient people of Safune, and to all of you gathered here tonight. Let the rhythm and grace transport you to the captivating shores of Safune, the enchanting Cook Islands, and my beloved home, Hawaii. So sit back, relax, and join me on this cultural journey through the spirit of Polynesia.
Mata ai ai matu te a
ana o ese kuhori me he ala no e mai ana au he akule Roselani me he ala no e mai ana au he akule Roselani malihini o e malihini au makaihu ka hawala i ka maena malihini o e malihini au makaihu ka hawala i ka maena ina o yu me au kau kono i ka no ai pai ina o yu me au somebody sitting in my rocking chair haina ia mai kapuana hone ana o ese kuhori haina ia mai kapuana hone ana o ese kuhori kuhori kuhori
Give it up for contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tonga Hawaii, Graceland Kelly Nanaimo Whatoaika. Whakamalotu ki he contestant koe ni ko Toki o si, whika ono. Miss Tonga Hawaii, pea ko tui peo kia ni ia teke mautolo mo whiwhiri ko hahono uhinga na tau lakasi ai contestant whika nima. Ko uhinga ki ai o ki ai ki palopalema whakatiki ni kale pe moi screen lahi ko ia he funga Stacey. Pe ko konga whoki e whakaleali tale niti ko ia ai contestant whika nima a Mr. Praxis no sila o kune fia ma o ai screen. Ko ia te tau toi whoki mai ki ai, kai tuku angi mo e whainga maali e ke kau tau kei, ke whaihanga aue ki e screen, ke whakalelei, mo tokoni ki ai, ka lotonga ko ia te tau hoko atu, pe mai toinga kau whinemui o kuna o tatari mai mei he tawha aki. Ladies and gentlemen, for the benefit of our judges and our non-Tongan speaking people here this evening, just letting you know that the reason why we have temporarily skipped contestant number 5, we will come back to contestant number 5. However, part of contestant number 5's talent is the usage of the large plasma screen on the stage, the LED screen, which is currently experiencing some technical difficulties, but we've got some experts coming from Samsung to fix it very, very soon. And while they do that, we'll be moving on to our other contestants. So we'll be going now for the judges, going now to contestant number 7. We'll come back to contestant number 5 a little bit later on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to welcome to the stage in our talent category tonight, none other than contestant number 7, Miss Vava'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu. Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu will be performing a medley, a combination of Tongan, Samoan and Tahitian dances. Growing up, she loved dancing and embracing all these talents. Her costume is made up of tapa cloth with gentle strikes of designs that illustrate originality and uniqueness of our cultures. Transitioning through these items, she will showcase skills and movements harmonizing with these outstanding artists. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Vava'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu.
Isa e te tai amoni nalani koula ko hato papai le tui whakamanurua usuhe maahisi ahono na ua ke uhifo akiki he amai o vuna
awarua Ua tau piti ia kawari I te tiare a petahi tiare una no to'u aia herehia e aue maraamu taurere e mata I to'u aia te pua te iraro
Bringing the vibrance of some of our neighbouring Pacific Island nations. Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 7, Ms. Baba'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmius of Kimoana Latu. And for the moment to our judging panel to compile their scores. Our judges this evening, of course, is Brad Colley, Moimoana Shwenki, Tivaini Tatofi, Bo Fonua, and Yehenara Sokup. And our auditors tonight is Nirashan Disalayanke and Mele Koka. Koe tau hoku atu koe ni ki e tale ni ti a contestant fika valo. We'll move now on to our 8th contestant tonight here on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our 8th contestant tonight is Miss Tonga, China Friendship Association, Susi Elisabethi Brigitta Caprian Tonga. My talent for tonight is a Chinese ancient dance. The music is Dan Yuan Ren Chang Jiu. How long will the full moon appear? This dance teaches children to have a better understanding of spatial relationships and learn to think with both sides of their brain. Humans have times of sadness, happiness, parties, partings, meetings, and we only wish that we last forever. As I perform my dance tonight, read my hand movements and imagine being at a high place and wouldn't be able to withstand the cold. Being at a high position would let one feel lonely. Malo Albito, ladies and gentlemen, introducing contestant number 8 with Tonga, China Friendship Association, the one and only Susi Elisabethi Brigitta Caprian Tonga.
此事古难全，但愿人长久，千里共婵娟。
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, Miss Tonga China Friendship Association, Susie Elisabethi Brigita Cabrian Tonga. Whakamaroto ki e kau whakamau, e nao fua whatongi e whia whini. Hange koe o kos mea i pe ho eiki, pe iluki ai tonga kotoa. Koe lukto lele whoki e screen koe ni he kolo Heilala, pe lava leva i he tonga koe ia ki tau whoki mai ki e contestant Whika Nima i he taimini. Just to our judging panel, for your benefit, now that our Samsung stars have made their way from South Korea and fixed our plasma screen tonight, we're ready to rock and roll and move back to contestant number 5 this evening. So for your judges, please ensure you have your form ready for contestant number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5 this evening is the one and only Miss Apraxis New Zealand 2024, Mele Maimoa He Laukau'anga Finau. A famous Ma'imoa of Her late Majesty, Queen Salote Tupou III notes, Sai pe si Tonga, ko si weli o Pasifiki. Alas, dear Tonga remains the jewel of the Pacific. For her talent tonight, Miss Apraxis New Zealand shares the journey of her migration journey and story. She will use song as the vehicle to carry us through her journey around the world, highlighting the people, cultural experiences and languages she has come across in life that have moulded her over the years. As a proud daughter of the kingdom, Mele starts right here at home, Tonga, the birthplace of her parents and the land in which her heart is rooted in. She'll then take us to Fiji, a neighbouring island with strong blood connections to the Kingdom of Tonga and also Mele's place of birth and upbringing. We then find ourselves immersed in Chinese culture, just as Mele was when attending the Yixin Chinese primary school. The journey then takes a turn to Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud and current home to Mele Finau, where she completed her conjoint Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Global Studies and is currently completing her Masters in Global Studies. And then finally we return home to Tonga, where Mele reconnects to her motherland and people, concluding that while she has lived through all of these different phases in her life, Tonga will always remain the jewel of the Pacific to her. Her kingdom is her pride. Tua whātu, kua Mele Maimoa, he Laukau'anga Finau, Miss Apraxis New Zealand 2024, your contestant number 5.
Gatinya sioto se imana koa ala kapuyai asi ete ofa ha sino mai ho otonga kae vai fa aloi fofonga Kae vai fa'aloi fofonga Hau vakila Nindina vekenga Na nongu na numa Ni umai luvutu E no asa tindombu Ni wola tu na vangagara Niudalova, atunatona, moredico, domonico, mamusevi, nongulatale, andando mona, andando mona. Pangyo ishi ichito, 大小人的不再有一枝花，一辈子，一生情，一杯酒。朋友不谈过，谈过，朋友，朋友你会懂，还有伤，还有痛，还要走， Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Mera te koi papa ko te reo mauri He taonga tuku ia no ngā tīpuna He pare kawa kawa he mea hira hira Tōku reo tōku oho Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Tōku reo tōku oho Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Oia oe oia Lau pea e au Lau tōtua e au Oe atu ngā lau Ha sino mai ho o Tonga Ka e vai whaalo i fofonga Ka e vai whaalo i fofonga
Ladies and gentlemen, your contestant number 5 is Higi, Miss Breakfast New Zealand 2024. The one and only Mele Mai Moa he Laukau'anga Whina. Now, I have been advised that we have the lights on now, but we're having issues turning the lights off. So for the contestants that were wanting the lights dimmed or changed, at the moment we're unable to do that. So just a heads up to our contestants remaining that the lights will need to remain on for the continuation of tonight's proceedings.
Ai ko e kakato ia Miss Success New Zealand mere mai mo he lotu kalafi fina o ke o ande pe e whakamalo ki te moto ko tape ka sponsors malava ke mo kau whata mai ko ia pe mo whakapaanga e tau whamawholareanga tonu ko ia o e wike Heilala kamata pe pe wiko o si whanonga mai ai ki he weekend pe mo e mana ke whakato apongpongi a ke polo pe mo no ui ko ia ai whenemui o mana ke ne ikona ai kalauni ke Miss Heilala wanoa wafa wanoa wanima tau hoko te pe ke Miss Hapai Masani
Fipe Latai Holeva Finau. Whakatulo watu pe mai tala malo e whonua mo ngahi kawha o totonu ke whakatapua. Kai ata ke o lawe atu ke tale niti mo kake i teu o Miss Hapai Masani. Ko hono tale niti o ku whakataha i ai hasiva whakahaa moa pe mai tau o lunga afi. Ko hono kake i kamata koe kie haa moa. La langa i ene whangakui me upolu Samoa. Koe ne kui, koe makai, me koe hele oku ne ngawe aki, koe hele tuku whakaholo me he ne whangakui. Pena i loa poki koe nipo oti. Koe tauhi whanua pe, koe malu i o upolu talu me mua. Koe konga hono ua hono taleniti, koe whakamei te aki e a whi. Kono kake i, koe tupenu launo uri pe tā aki, e ngahi kupesi teu ai whiwhine Tonga, o whakailonga launo koula, he whakamahino, koe aho mahu inga eni, ki e Tonga kotoa, he kei la koe whielelei, ai hao e whonua, o tawa o siai, hono aho aloi. Koe poi, o kune ngawe aki, koe whakatātā, ki e nau e kau Māori, ka koe poini nai tā mo whakafuo i ene whangawha e tangata me makawela o tofua, te tutu ai pē me he ngoto umu o tofua. Ke whakaha aki ene tau kei hono whakame ite aki e a whi. Koe tau lua eni hono taleniti Ke toi whakamanatu mai e poto o Tonga he kuahiri he ngahi whiau auhi o ngahi otomotu o Pasifiki. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 9, Miss Hapai Masani, Fipe Latai Holeva Finau. Ladies and gentlemen, a fiery performance tonight by contestant number 9, Miss Hapai Masani, Pipe Latai Holeva Finau. Hello, Keke Vela at our Stacey Heponi, Haupe. We'll give a moment to our judges to compile your scores. Kai Laukau'anga koia e tapiripiri foki e kaungawe koia e taki mamata. Uhioloki koho foki e funga Stacey Hetai Mini. Our judges tonight are working very, very hard. Brad Colley, Moimoana Schwenki, Tivaini Tatofi, Bo Fonua and Yehenara Sokop. And our auditors this evening, Nirashan Disayanke and Mele Koka. A reminder that our venue is a non-smoking venue tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Tongatapu e whitabaka I whaleni. O whakatatau ki tūtū ni koia ai Purianga Tonga. Sio kuna ko mai ki he tau porokalama koia au wiki Heilala kai whainga maari e ke Manava ai whunga Stacey I e pōni. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to acknowledge our sponsors this evening to afford some time to our stage to clear its atmosphere and clear the air tonight, reminding everyone that tonight's venue is a non-smoking venue here at Heilala Village. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of the Kingdom of Tonga, Tonga Tourism Authority, the national airline of beautiful Fiji, Fiji Airways, New City Party Rentals, Tonga Power Limited, and also the Ports Authority of Tonga for sponsoring tonight's program. Not forgetting our elite sponsors, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Matthew Howell, the New Zealand High Commission, the National Reserve Bank of Tonga, MBF Bank, Anton Rajapakse, Tanoa Dateline Hotel, Te Hoko Arts, Vai Moana Media, Digicel Tonga Limited, the Bank of the South Pacific, John Sullivan and Lion Liquor, Razak and Spare Parts Zone Tonga, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, Sino Union Economic Company Limited. And not forgetting, of course, our silver sponsors this evening, which are Liz and Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant, Rob Sullivan and Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Peseti Ma'afu and Nuku'alofa Resort, Tonga Health, Feniu Beauty, Nishi Trading, Sunshine Rentals, M&J Water Tank Company, and Tonga Rotomol. Ko tau sponsor iau kuna upoko mai ki he tau polokalama koia I he Efiafini. Whamanato atu whoki ai ngahi tiki te koia ki he whainolo, pia I he po a pongpongi, koi polo whoki ai he Efiafi a pongpongi, pia koi Efiafi pe koia whakahoko ai tare whihui whakamui, pe he whoko na hiri whaka o kalauni ki he whirimoi koia, pe ni kuna ai Miss Heilala o tau ni wāwhi māua whā. Koi tiki te panga ni manoa ki tiki te taha, koi tiki te VIP o panga e te ao, mao whakatoloa pe bea mei he ofisi take mamata a Tonga I he halavuna. National Airline of Fiji, Fiji Airways, who is one of our supreme sponsors this evening. The winner of Miss Heilala 2024 will receive 2 return airline tickets to the United States of America to one of 3 destinations in the United States that Fiji Airways flies to, which is San Francisco, Los Angeles, or Honolulu in beautiful Hawaii. The first runner-up will receive 2 return tickets to Asia to either of the 3 destinations that Fiji Airways services, including Hong Kong, Singapore, or Tokyo Narita in Japan. The second runner-up will receive 2 return tickets to Australia to one of the following destinations that are serviced by Fiji Airways, Canberra, Melbourne, Brisbane or Adelaide. And the winner of the Miss Tawalunga will receive 2 return airline tickets to New Zealand to one of 3 destinations serviced by Fiji Airways, Auckland, Wellington or Christchurch.
Ai ko e tuia ko e tau programa ko ia o e fiafini tau ke taitale ke ki matafia tu ko ia kohu ko ni e he whareari ko ia mesa hapai ka tau toki hoko atu pia motoenga ko ia o e kau whine mui o kutoe ke nau whareari e nau tare ni ti i he fiafini
ko ia ke tauhi a Tonga ke maa mo masani. Wātua I pē mo whakamalo ki potunga au e take mamata a Tonga I he maa au pito pē a loto Nuku'alofa tui pē ko whatonga I he kau whalawe ewa ki Tongani I he maa mo masani pē a loto kolo I he uhalafa Pureanga makatounga ia I he ngawe kawhakawa ko ia e kau whaifatongia ma kau ngawe kotoa pē mei he potunga au e take mamata a Tonga. Malo e ngawe e malo e tauhi a Tonga ke maa mo masani he taimi kotoa.
Fie whamalo ia pē tau ngahi kautanga sponsors ko e Ekministar pot ngau e tak mamata Honorable Tongatapu Williami waske la tu pe voki a William takau pe mo e tonga kau ngau e wata pe whamalo ki he puri kaya pake PSP
I was wondering
your contestant number 10, Miss AGT and Maimor Catering, Rachel Angelica of Manakakapu, Gutenbale. In the heart of the Pacific, women stand as towering pillars of strength, embodying resilience and grace amidst the ebb and flow of life's currents. They are the guardians of tradition, the bearers of culture, and the nurturers of generations to come. Among them stands a figure reminiscent of the Tongan goddess Hikuleo, whose spirit illuminates the darkest of nights with her radiant presence. Like Hikuleo, Pacific women traverse the challenges of time with unwavering determination, their essence intertwined with the very fabric of our islands. My talent is dedicated to my mother, Corina Gutenbale, a modern-day embodiment of Hikuleo's enduring grace. After enduring the loss of her husband and one of her children, she has never shown a moment of weakness. Instead, she stands tall, her spirit unbroken, with a smile on her face and words of encouragement on her lips. In the face of adversity, she remains a beacon of hope and strength for our family, inspiring us to pursue our dreams and aspirations with unwavering resolve. Her unwavering love and steadfast support have shaped us into the individuals we are today. Let us lift their stories from the depths of obscurity and illuminate the path they tread. For Pacific women are the anchors that hold us steady in the storm, the guiding stars that lead us home. Their legacy, like that of Hikuleo, is woven into the very fabric of our islands, a testament to the enduring power of the feminine spirit in shaping our collective destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 10, Miss AGT and Maimor Catering, Rachel Angelica of Manakakapu, Gutenbale.
Say yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss AGT and Ma'imoa Catering. Contestant number 10, Rachel Angelica o Manakakapu, Fruiton Vale. Te tukuanga whangamari, ke kau whakamau, ke whakamau o poina o poini he ewhia whini. Ko whatonga e o kia ki I drone o ku lo tonga puna foki o lunga ia tau tole e whia whini ke mau e u ata maa lia mo whakaholoma mata o I whiau hea whia whini. We have two contestants remaining in tonight's competition. That will be contestant number 11 and contestant number 12. But at the moment, we're just going to have a quick break with a entertainment group all the way from the village of Ha'ateho tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a warm Ha'ateho welcome to the Silapelua Academy Entertainment Group entertaining us on the stage right now. Mo paspasi mai ai kau whaiva koini ai Silapelua, tena whakahoko ha whakameite maatautolu I e whiawhini.
Tau te pe ki he whakameite, koe ki I whawā mapape ni pia me he klub whaiva koe Silapelua.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Silapelua Dance Academy tonight, bringing us the sweet fragrances of the islands of French Polynesia and Tahiti to the stage this evening. And I understand they will be back a little bit later in the program to entertain us while the judges will be adding up their scores. But without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to introduce your contestant number 11 to the stage, Miss Kalapu Kolokakala, Salt Lake City, Sila'afu Tiana Vakapuna.
And while Salafo's getting set up, we'd like to welcome all of our viewers tuning in on our live stream around the world, especially to our Tongan diaspora tuning in from Hawaii, America, New Zealand, Aotearoa, Australia, throughout the Pacific, Asia and Europe. Thank you for joining us here from the Heilala village, from the heart of the Kingdom of Tonga, from the royal capital, Nuku'alofa.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight I will be singing a song by Beyonce, Listen. I chose this song because sometimes people tend to keep us in our little box, but here we can just tell them no, and that we're going to spread our wings and fly. So, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your contestant number 11 tonight on the stage, Miss Kalapu Kolokakala, Salt Lake City, Selafu Tiana, Bakapuna. Vela mawhana whoki ai kolo Heilala e Piawhini, lo Tonga koia ai pō taleniti. Lawe I pē kua si lava whoki lo Tonga ai weekend, ai kamata whoki aho moni te, aki ai tale whehui. Pea koe hoko atu lewa ki e pō tu si te, koe te unga matatahi, pe koe sarong. Pule lulu lewa koe pō anepo, na tau I heni ai, pe moi teunga tau olunga, pea moi whaiva tau olunga, pe koe Piawhini lewa koe taleniti. Ia pō a pongpongi, koe polo ia ai Miss Heilala, whakataha pe moi tale whehui whakamui mui, pe mohono whakakalauni ko ia, hoi whini mui ko ia tene ikuna, ai whiauhi whili Miss Hoi Hoi Fua, ai Miss Heilala, wafe ma wafa wafe, ma wanima. I'd like to thank our judges this evening for giving up their time to come along tonight to be our judges for what is a very, very stiff competition this evening with so much talent on our main stage tonight. Thank you to Brad Colley, Moi Moana Schwenki, Tivaini Tatofi, Bo Fonua and Yehenara Sokop, and also to our auditors, which are doing a great job behind the scenes, ensuring that all our scores are even, that everything adds up. To Nurashan Disana Yanke and to Melekoka. Whakamalo te kia tika motolo, ka whakamao mo yongo a tita, o mo fua whatongia I he whiawhini, lawe I pe o kei koa ngau e whaingo fua, pe ngau e mama o mo whakahoko I he whiawhini, ko uhi ko tala ni te whiawhini o fu toto atu pe maali e au pito mo oni.
Again,
we're so appreciative to all of you tonight for making the time to come out tonight. Whakamalo whoki kia tinga mo tolu koia na mo lava mai o kia ni ihi heni. Na nau I heni he moni te, toi heni whoki tūsi te, toi heni e puli lulu, pe o nau toi heni ai pe e whiawhini. Ka koe po a pongpongi o ki make he ia, koe uhi ko pau ki ai hao tiki te. Hala tiki te, mahino, hei kai ke I heni koe I po a pongpongi. Koe tari ki ai o whaingofua. Lava mai pe a pongpongi a pe. Ko ava mai pe ofisi ko ia taki mamata halavuna whainga mai lile veke hua te matapa kumi ho tikite panga pe ni manoa foi tikite pe ka pau ke ongo I ko VIP ko ko toko taha maho inga au pito ko VVIP ko tikite panga pe te au ka ke lava mai pe I he po a pongpongi mana tui ke tui ho te unga polo ha ko polo ia ke tari ha wala noa ia ko bau ke tau pe mo tuha whata tau ki he kawe inga po. It's a ball. So make sure you come and have a ball, but be dressed in a ball gown and ready to have a lot of fun on tomorrow night for the final this evening. So that's when we're talking ball, we're talking like black tie, we're talking gowns, that kind of thing. So just so you know what the dress code is, it's some formal ball gowns and black tie tomorrow night for the final here this evening. And tomorrow night, of course, will be the last part of the interview component of the competition, followed by the crowning of the Miss Heilala 2024. Now, we've already mentioned some of the prizes, but I might just mention the prizes one more time because we do have quite a few cash prizes, which we didn't mention earlier in the week, but I'd like to read them out tonight. Ko ngahi pale paanga eni e maololo tonga kuia ai whiaui kuia ai Miss Heilala I e poa pongpong. Ko tōtaha kuia o kuni kuna, pe o hiri whakiatia ai kalauni koe Miss Heilala. E mau e pale paanga koe paanga Tonga e taha mano. Koe first runner-up I Miss Heilala, mau e pale paanga, koe paanga fitu afe. Koe second runner-up, koe pale paanga e nima afe. Koe third runner-up, koe paanga e tolu afe. Pea moi fourth runner-up, koe paanga e uafe. Iai pe whoki moi mangahi pale paanga makehe. I u category koe ni, hange koe tokataha koe koe best pre-pageant interview, koe tare whihu I lelei taha, koe paanga taha afe. Best sarong swimwear, koe tokataha koe na e toto ato mo toki mua ai te unga matatahi, koe paanga pale paanga taha afe. Miss Tauolunga, koe pale paanga panga nima afe. Best te unga Tauolunga, panga nima afe. Pea moi tale niti lelei taha mehe pōni, koe panga tolu afe. Pea moi best stage interview. Pea okay, pe whoki mai category makehe e wha, koe Miss Photogenic, koe panga nimangiao. Miss Personality, koe panga nimangiao. Best Ball Gown, koe panga nimangiao. Pea mo Miss Popularity, koe paanga e nimangiao. Aia koe ngahi pale paanga whokia e whakia ki he nihi kau whini mui koe ni I he po a pongpongi. Koe tale whihu I a pongpongi, and the dress code, of course, is formal evening gown. The criteria for tomorrow is knowledge of subject matter. Number 2, communication skills. Number 3, poise. Number 4, authenticity. And number 5 is style. Ve koe pare paanga koea ki he talaniti tuki mua taha, ai e whaki a pongpongi, koe paanga e nima afe. Ko ia whamalo ato ke kau sponsor, kai koe nau toko ni, he kai ki ai anga he pare paanga lelei koe ne ke whaki, ke a teke nau tolu kau whine moi o ku nau kau mai, mo tuki mua anga he category ke I e tau whi au hi whiri hoi hoi fua, ai Miss Heilala o Wafi Mawafa. And of course, Miss Heilala will continue to represent the Kingdom of Tonga for the 12 months ahead from 2024 through to this time next year in 2025. We also want to acknowledge the great work of our current reigning Miss Heilala, that's Setita Vainuku, who is here with us this evening. So tomorrow night, Setita will be passing that crown over to the new incoming Miss Heilala, who also does a great job in representing us on the tourism platform around the world for the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I know you've been waiting for this moment all night. We're moving now to our final contestant in tonight's program, and that is contestant number 12, Miss Apraxis New Zealand, Akosita Fa'alangi Ofa Ki Vava'u Gutenbale. Tākanga e tau fohe. The heart of this Tongan proverb is strength in unity. As the ancient warrior goddess Hikuleo, Akosita leads her people of Tonga, calling them to unite to overcome struggles and barriers within society. For her talent tonight, Miss Apraxis Tonga has chosen to highlight 3 major aspects of achieving unity as a people. The first focuses on inclusivity to those who are marginalized in everyday society. In this instance, she urges us to reach out to our hearing impaired community as she has through learning to communicate through the use of sign language. Number 2, the second point looks at how, as a nation, we have experienced tribulation. The most recent being the eruption of the Hungatonga Hungaha'apai volcano. Many homes, coastal villages, and families were devastated by this. But as in the resilience of the Tongan people, guided by God and forefronted by His Majesty King Tupou VI and the royal family that carried us through this disaster. The final aspect highlights the significance of empowerment. It is the importance of reaching out to the community and uplifting one another through words of encouragement or simple gestures such as a smile, a hug, or a nod of acknowledgement. Akosita relays that the strength of the Tongan people comes through unity. That is unity through inclusivity, unity through tribulation, and unity through empowerment. That is my kingdom. That is my pride. Tua o whātu, kua o Akosita whaalangi, o whakiwawa o Gutenberg, Miss Apraxis Tonga 2024, your contestant number 12.
Ko tonga koe tau ke taitari ki he ngāue koe ai tō taha kone tonga ngai kena koe ai tau sound system ki he whiawhiri. Ko tau te teo ai ki he
Whilst we wait for the commencement of contestant number 12,
o e whiawhiri.
with the Director of Tonga Tourism Authority from Ha'apai, Mr. Finau Walter, and also the Director of Tonga Tourism Authority from Vavaulahi, Alwyn Moa. Mo paspasi mai o ngā tale ki te koini o Tonga Tourism Authority me he whai o ne me Ha'apai, pea me he lola halai walu me Vavaulahi.
Whamaro e pe ki ngā kata business ko e panke PSP pe whoki e ekpari stai pat ngā wetak mamata pe amo e CEO pe whoki e Regal Hardware ko e Choico Professional Services pe amo e kautaha ko e Chuva Vau pe whoki e tau kautaha whetutake a Tonga.
Kids are still traumatized from the event. Whenever they hear a loud sound or the thunder, they'll run.
Shut down in flames. What's left to do? These broken pieces on fire. Losing my voice, calling on you. 'Cause I've been shaking, I've been bending backwards till I'm cold. Watching all these dreams go out.
lightning. This that bird, this ain't no perm. This that nappy, this that herb, this that kinfolk, this that skinfolk, this that war, this that bloodline. On the front line, ready for war. Where you going? Gotta protect my grace, keep it locked in the safe. Don't make me get back to my ways. My power they never take. Don't never take my power. Don't never take my power. They feel away. Wow. They feel away.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12 tonight, Mr. Praxis New Zealand, Akosika Pa'alangi Opa Kuraba'o Duzinbe.
Koe misa whaosia
Category koe tale ni te whiawhini, kai whainga maare koe ni kau whakamau, mo kau ātita ke whakahoko nau whatongia, mau whia toi whakatā pē ai Punga Stacey whiawhini, ki e kau whaiva koe mei he Sila Pelua Academy, tēnā whakahoko, ha whakamei te mātau tolo e whiawhini, ki mua ia pe tau hoko atu. Ki hono whakamao popokoia ai poini o po talaniti e whiawhini. Now, once again this evening, we will be giving out the results of the top 5 in talent in no particular order. So it will be a random order tonight, the top 5 in the talent. So you can do the math during the week, working out the different scores along the week. But tonight will be the scores for our talent category. Without any further ado, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the Sila Pelua Dance Academy.
E lango ai au. Eh, ni mo tu ulu. Toi hai mai lava ke manino.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and keep your applause going for the Sila Pelua Dance Academy all the way from Ha'ateho tonight. We're now waiting for the scores to be compiled here this evening by our judging panel, together with the auditors this evening. Lo tonga taratali atu koia ki he whatongia koe kau whakamau, he nao whenga we aki whakataha pe moiongo a tita I he whiawhini, ke whapapau I pe o kutono, pe mau maaria ai ngahi maka, ki mo ia pe lau atu I he whiawhini ai toko nima. Ho no particular order, ka koe toko nima koia, na nao tuki mua I he taleniti I he whiawhini.
O si mau maria mai ai kau whaiva koe ai Sila Pelua Dance Academy. E funga Stacey, te teo ke whauka e whariari. O tonga koe ke ngau kau whamau ke ona tānaki. Pe ai ngai poini koe a o ngau tola e tōta hau o nau vipa ke Miss Heilala. Wanau wa wha wanau wa ni mai.
Hoi ka mo kai moto paspasi I mai ai Sila Pelua Dance Academy na lava mai e whiawhini ke whakahoko. Ko whakari ari mana o talaniti ana o tolo e whiawhini lo Tonga koia ai pō talaniti I heni pe I he kolo Heilala I Nuku'alofani. Ki mua pe lau ata e ola koia o e talaniti e whiawhini, ko whitukuange pe mua whainga maari koe ni ki a Lovely Maka, koe kauwhokia I he puate koe ni ai Tonga Tourism Association, me kai koia pe, toi whaiwhatongi a whokia I office koia o Fiji Airways, ka o whae hai ki lea whakamalo I he taimini. I'd like to call upon Lovely Maka, an executive of the Tonga Tourism Association, but also from Fiji Airways, one of our supreme sponsors this evening, to kindly come to the podium and share a vote of thanks.
Te hufanga pe whakatapu ko si whai hono au whaki ki mua, ka o atpe haki whakamalo me Tonga Tourist Association, ko tarango fua pe ki he mau Palestini, so saya moe hau, ke u whai a whatongia koe ni, ko hui koe ke lava mai peseti. Ko ia, ato e whamalo ke te ki motolu. Pe foki ki whalangirangi, pa se mata vi tauni sila, pe he foki ki eik minista o taki mamata, Dr. Biliami Waske Latu. O koe foki mo e wha tapu mamahe, ki he kau whewhine hoi hoi fua, ko nau vei pahe ngahi pō kakato e whiawhi nima ko eni te tau katoanga I ai aho e tui, ke whai ake ai whakamanatu aho no aho aloi. Koe. Ota whamalo ki he hongotale kita he poate, ki a Eluin moa me vavau, pe he whoka whina wata me hapai. Atu mo whamalo, Roto honga mo oni, ki he sea kau whakamau, Tulsi Day, pe he whoki ki kau whakamau, ne nau fua e whatongia mamafa o e whiawhi koe ni, pe he whoki e kau atita. O atu mo e whakamalo mawahe ki he kau sponsor, a kau whine mui koe ni, o e theme mahu inga o e tau ni, My Kingdom, My pride. O kai ke tau I heni, ko tau whiauhi, ko tau I heni, ke tuwaki ho tau Tonga, mo tau talaki, ai tau whakaofo ofa, a natural beauty pe o e Tonga. Ko whamaloat ke kau tahine, hoi hoi fua, he pō koe ni, kai umaha whoki mo kau sponsor, ne nau tūtawha aki, hono teke ki mō tolu, ke mō kau mai, ke ngahi whakawhiawhia o aho aloi, ka koha event e nia na e lele mai he tau e whango fulutupu o tūtawha aki ai Tonga Tourist Association I hono whataki, ka e maa whoki ai ministry, oku teke mui me ai, behind the scene o tangata koe ni, CEO William Takau, ka maso sa ia mohau, I hono whataki mai a ngahi whatongia, ke tau lave monu ai I por kalama koe ni. O ata e whakamalo mawahe ki MC, me hoko mai he ngahi pō koe ni. Oku makehe atu ai MC ai tangata muri koe ni, kaku osiliriu Tonga pe ia. Pe aku whakaafo ofa apito I nelea, o tau mo ngahi por kalama. Na tau wikuna he ngahi e whiawhi ko mariu atu. Whamalo whoka ki motolo no kotoa pe, ai whamili, mo whataki mai, ai katoanga koe ni, ke o mai ho mo whanau, ke whakaariari e tau whakaafo ofa whakaitonga. Ho nau tale niti, e nau hoi hoi fua, kai o maa whoki, ho nau urunganga. Koia koe ki whakamalo tu a peia, ko whai atu he whiawhi koe ni. Kana ngalo pe ke whakahatu pe ko hai au, ma pena stalatu e, ko e sponsor fo loa taha ni I he Heilala, ka mata mai me he mistonga o hauai, Nena I kai ke toi hoko te ue alaini koe, pea nau osiat ki nau tolu, ko Fiji Airways Spain o ke hoko atu, a tokoni a Tonga, fataki e Miss Heilala, mohono tu uake ka whewhine, whakaafo ofa au tawi hena he pōni. Ko ia pea ki rea tua o whaatka ki mo tolu, malo au pito.
Malo Albito, lovely maka, pia me Fiji Airways, pia my executive koia e Tonga Tourism Association. I'd like to call the girls to make their way to the stage, and while they're making their way onto the stage this evening, before we read out the final results, I'd just like to acknowledge our sponsors again one more time. To our supreme sponsors is the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of Tonga, Tonga Tourism Authority, Fiji Airways, New City Party Rentals, Tonga Power Limited, and the Ports Authority of the Kingdom of Tonga. Our elite sponsors this evening is the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Matthew Howell and the New Zealand High Commission to the Kingdom of Tonga. National Reserve Bank of Tonga, the MBF Bank, Anton Rajapakse, Tanoa Dateline Hotel, Whehoko Arts and Vaimoana Media. The platinum sponsors this evening is Digicel Tonga Limited, the Bank of the South Pacific, John Sullivan and Lion Liquor, Razak and Spare Parts Zone Tonga, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, Sino Union Economic Company Limited. And our silver sponsors tonight is Liz and the Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant, Rob Sullivan and the Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Peseti Ma'afu and Nuku'alofa Resort, Tonga Health, Fenil Beauty, Nishi Trading, Sunshine Rentals, M&J Water Tank Company, and Tonga Rotamo. Mo paspasi mai kotoa, ai kau sponsor koia na nau. Tokoni mai mo popo mai ke lama o whakahoko atu koia, ai tau fi aui whiri Miss Hoi Hoi Fua koia Miss Heilala o i tauni. And to our lovely 12 contestants on the stage tonight, if I could just ask you to take 3 steps forward when we get calling the top 5. So when we call out the top 5, if you guys could take 3 steps forward. Kone atu, ke kau whenimui o ka pau lauho hingoa I he toko nima toki mua to move forward on the stage, please. So ladies and gentlemen, this is in no particular order, but these are your top 5 for tonight. The first of our top 5, ladies and gentlemen, in the talent category, Miss Fia Dance Academy, Vaimoana, Akesa, Louise Latai Holeva, Malupo. Our next contestant in the top 5 tonight for talent, Miss Apraxis New Zealand, Mele Maimoa, Helotokolafi Finau. Our third in our top 5 this evening for talent is Miss Ha'apai Masani, Fipe Latai Holeva Finau. Our fourth contestant in our top 5, ladies and gentlemen, Miss AGT and Ma'imo Catering, Rachel Angelica o Manakakapu Gutenvale. And our fifth and final contestant to make it through to the top 5 in our talent tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Apraxis Tonga, Akosita Pa'alangi Ofa Kibaba'u Gutenvale. Nau tolo kuia ai toko nima tuki mua I he taleniti. Congratulations. Let's give a big round of applause for all of our contestants tonight. They have done an absolutely amazing job. From the interview, through to the sarong, swimwear, through to the tawalunga and the teunga tawalunga, and of course tonight the talent. Tomorrow there is one more judge category, and that is the final interview questions during our ball and the crowning of Miss Heilala 2024-2025 tomorrow night. Remember, tomorrow night is not open. It's not an open. You have to have a ticket to come tomorrow evening. Remember to purchase your tickets for 50 pa'anga for 1 ticket or 100 pa'anga for a VIP ticket from the tourism office on Vuna Road tomorrow in order to be here tonight. Tomorrow night, remember, it's formal wear. We will be checking at the doorway. Make sure that it's formal, black tie, gown, the whole box and dice, as they say. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon Reverend Olivia Fatongia Latu from the Waianae United Methodist Church from Honolulu, Hawaii, as she will kindly make her way to the front to close tonight's proceedings in a word of prayer. And then after that, we'll be moving on to a group photo with our delegates here at the front and our 12 contestants. Whangamari koe ni, tuku anga atu ki whaingamaa ki he whaiwhekau Reverend Olivia Fatongia Latu, me he sease metotisi ko ia a Waianae me Honolulu, Hawaii, ke whakahoko e tau lotu tuku I he whiawhini. Malo au pito.
Ke tau lotu. Mau whawhetaya te o tua mas. Ko omi ki mātou ke mau ausia e whakasianga. O whehe anga koe ni. Mau whamalo atu. Ko hi koe kau whine mui koe ni. Ko nau whatapa mai e huelo. O e awhiona. Ko nau ngahitare ni ti. Ke mau inasi ai. Pio mau wako ai he whiawhini. Ko ia o mau whakafoki atu. Ai langi. Pio mo ngeia ko toa pe. O kau whine mui koe ni. Ke whakafoki atu ke lang ia ai. Koe mau lotu ia. Mau kore ke lau maria e awhiona. Ke whakamalu. Ai whaafe whalang o e fiaf koeni. Pase mata tansia. Kore ke lau maria ke pantata ngai mea lere ko toa pia. Ke mau fau atu ki api. Ke oa na iaha watu tamaki. Te ria na amere. Ai ngā au e whakafo ofa o e fiafini. Pe mau lotu ia i wafa o tamai. Pe moi alo. Pe moi lau maria ma oni. Amen.
Malo pido fai vekao, hoi ke mokai.
Whamawhalare hanga tonu koia o e whiawhiri. Bei he Heilala Village. Bei e wafuna me loto Nuku'alofa. Radio mo televisione Tonga. Ko lupe o lo tomo ua. Bei voki ki a Herita Miloneti pia mo Finau Fotkava. Sharon Elone. Pia mo Malu Elone kwa ukreve lea. Malo pido mo mea mai mo mea.
Darling, you dahine. I was wondering, but could you see if what is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. Heal my bed, so I know I'm on your mind. Bell to microphone, we could weep, get on in one more time. For your touch so very much that I need when you're around me. The way you make me feel, the way your love is real. Oh no, my tiny, me, my tiny. He touched my bed, so I know that I got you, baby. Oh, and this is the day I found you. Man, I do in my bed over. I'll love you over and over.
si e kupe